Okay, this is my LiveBinder for teaching and assessing students with exceptional needs. I chose to put all of my tabs over here to the left. That's how I like to organize things. And my tabs are what is special education, teaching in today, response to intervention, policy practices and process, differentiated instruction, universal design for learning, barriers in the learning environment, sample lesson plans, depths of knowledge, and collaboration and cooperative teaching. Under what is special education, I also included the AED special education information. I highly recommend reading into that. I also put in a special education guide, very resourceful, along with the AEDE website. The 6 principles of IDEA, that stands for Individualized Disabilities Education Act. Lots of information for educational rights for parents and students. Teaching in today, I just put another video of Intro to Special Education because special education is involved more in inclusive classrooms. Response to intervention, very important part of the education process if you are a regular ed teacher. I put what is RTI, the tiered approach for Tier 1, 2, and 3, data decision making, which is what you're going to be looking at to do the RTI process before, during, and after, helping students succeed. And then I also included the spinner game that I chose for one of my assignments in the classroom. All right, for policies, practices, and process, IEPs, the referral process, which, this is printable, and this is also from the ADE website as well. IEP, the 4 sections of the IEP, components. This is an IEP board game, which was, if you looked at it, this is just, questions about the game, about IEPs. Placement options and services, the cascade model, and educational placements and services. Some of these under each subtabs are printable for your resources. Alright, differentiated instruction. What can teachers Sorry, I was looking at the video. What can teachers differentiate? Frequently asked questions. When you come to this and you see this right here, just make sure you click on this and it will take you right to it. It is more than likely going to be a Word document or a PowerPoint, which are each printable as well. Marzano's 9 instructional strategies and his 9 high-yield instructional strategies. We also have UDL, which is Universal Design for Learning. This explains what UDL is. And then I also involved the guidelines and guideline worksheets. Barriers in the learning environment. The barrier puzzle that I had chose for my activities is also included. Physical and pedagogical barriers are also in the subtext. Alright, sample lesson plans. I'd say this is probably one of my favorite ones. This is one that I did in classroom management. I did include the AD curriculum standards, very important for new teachers and present teachers. Just make sure you click on whichever one you want. I also included a blank template for a unit plan, a sample template, and then of course there is my template, which make sure you click on that and it will download. I decided to do the 2nd grade math place value. I had a good time working on it. I really enjoyed it. Teacher gave lots of informative feedback. And there is also a sample lesson plan inside also. And then this is one of the videos that I had chose for place value to show my students. Alright, another thing that we looked at in classroom management is the depth of knowledge. Look into these. You will definitely be using these. This video I really love, and then also the main video under the tabs. The chocolate chip cookie model. You have a hard time understanding the DOK. Watch this. It was very informative. It kind of helped me understand it a lot more. Alright, collaboration and cooperative teaching. Teachers working together is important, and not all schools have co-teaching, but I would recommend it into each school, but I guess that depends on the administrators. The co-teaching part 1 and 2, and then the collaborating online and in school. These were all also in our classroom. Alright, well, this is my LiveBinder. Please feel free to comment, ask questions, or at least, let me know how you liked it. Alright, thanks.